Donuts, gummy bears, airheads, juices, smoothies.
Nice sweet treat with the biggest beat. That's our slogan.
This is so awesome, truly delicious and nutritious.
I'm just really excited. I think all schools should do this.
The 6th grade students of Dunrobin Christian Academy in Kingston were out with enthusiasm, eager to sell their goods and enjoy the rewards of their hard work.
You can have it for $600 where you get almost everything you want in it.
I am the leader of my group called Fruitful Delights, where we delight you with a variety of natural juices and natural smoothies. Today we have available juices such as Straw Blue, Cherish and Pine and Ginger. And we also have smoothies to this side where you have blueberry, strawberry, or you can customize your own smoothie for the variety of spices.
The concept is part of the Ministry of Education course known as Resource and Technology, specially designed to teach students business management.
So we modified it a bit and we call it Business and Technology. And this allows us to teach the children early skills in developing business, how to do a business plan, and what are the things that would be required to set up a successful business. And then we decided to actually allow them to have some practical based on the theory that they have been doing.
Students were faced with an exhilarating challenge. They must carefully select prices to ensure that by the end of the day, they earn more than they spend to ensure their business is profitable and has the potential to be sustainable.
I price based on the cost for the ingredients, the time it takes, and taking in fact the profit.
Well, it all depends on how much we buy the ingredients for. So for like Straw Blue, which contains a lot more expensive ingredients like strawberries and blueberries, we tend to increase the price so we can make back more profit.
Whether they made a profit or not, the focus was on having fun and savoring the experience of being their own bosses of the day.
I feel like this is a chance for me to get a feel of the business world, so if I do decide to pursue this in the future, I'll already know how it's supposed to be. So here we have gummy pencils, and then we have some grizzly, like the Ben one, the round candy, the sour ones. We have some grizzly, we have some marshmallow, some bear, and some pizza.
Well, I feel pretty amazing as this can help people who are in the heat and just really need something to quench their thirst. This is our healthy morning breakfast. This contains of watermelon, pineapple, cantaloupe, blueberries, and a side of yogurt.
I feel good because all the customers come in and they buy the seeds and we earn the money that we need to get to put everything together.
I feel inspired, I'm happy. I'm glad to know that all these children are getting a taste of something sweet, something delicious.
This was conceptualized in a very short period of time, very, very short. And you know, we really and truly did not expect the outcome. But of course, what we are seeing today, you know, is a testament of the hard work, you know, being integrated in the program to make it a success. I feel very good, and I feel, you know, that going forward, we are going to excel in the different areas, and I am certain we're going to have some entrepreneurs from this group.